This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Um, Hi everyone. Today just we will see how we can simulate a LAN in our packet tracer. So already we have done in our lab session. Just for a recap, I'm doing again this simulation in Cisco packet tracer. So the first thing is that to create a LAN, we have to place all the necessary devices. So I'm placing 3 desktop, and then we need some networking devices. So first one is a router and then a switch. So we placed all the things. So all the devices will be in the bottom left corner. So you can see end devices and then it is network devices. So now to make the connection, so I have to select this icon, the icon in the red color, that is it shows connection. So in this, the first one I'm going to select it because the first one, it shows that it is automatically chosen connection. So I'm choosing the automatic connection. So I have to click on the PC, then I have to click on the switch. Again, I have to click on the PC and the switch. So I'm now connecting all the PCs to the switch, and then I have to connect the switch to the router. So now we have placed all the devices which we need. That is our end device, that is the desktop, that is our PC. Then we have placed a switch and we have placed a router. So in this, if you see, now these connections, they are becoming green now. See here, it is now in orange color. So in the meantime, everything, see, now it becomes green, right? Now it becomes green. So on here, the FA01, FA02, FA03 is nothing but the interfaces. So FA is nothing but fast Ethernet interfaces. And here you can see that the color is red. This connection, it is still in red color. So why this is in red color? So you have to go to the router. So to see the configurations or the properties of router, just make a click on the router device. So you will get this one. So we have 4 different tabs. One is physical, configure, CLI, command line interface, and then certain attributes. So now what we have to do is that we have to go to config. There you can see here fast Ethernet 00 and 01. So here the interface is fast Ethernet 00. So select fast Ethernet 00, and if you see the port status, it is in the off state. So just you have to on it. You have to make the port status on. See here, now it immediately becomes green. So in a few seconds, this will also become green. So now after making this port status on, I'm going for here, that is the IP address. So let us consider we are providing the IP address 10.0.0.1. So once you click the subnet mask value tab, it will automatically take the mask value. That's it. So for this router, we have made the port status on, and then we have given the IP address and mask value. Now if you see, all the connections, they become green. All the connections, they become green. So it means that whether it is, now we are able to pass the data from one PC to another PC. Okay, let's try. We will make a try. So to see that um, whether I can get a message from, okay, there is a command that is called ping. So ping is used in the command, that is used in the command prompt to see whether we are connected to some other system or not. So what is the syntax of ping? Okay, so if you see here, if you give ping, then you have to give some hyphen n or some target values. So I have to give ping, then I have to provide the IP address. Okay, so I have to provide the IP address, but till now we have not given any IP address value for the PC. So what I have to do, first thing is that click on the PC, so it will take to the window which shows all the attributes, that is the physical configuration, the configuration, and the desktop, then programming, then attributes. So in the desktop we have one option called as IP configuration. So I have to click there, then I have to provide the IP. So I'm providing IP 10.0.0.2. So automatically the mask value is taken and the default gateway value is 10.0.0.1. So which is nothing but the IP address of the router. 10.0.0.1 is the IP address which we gave for the router. So likewise I have to do for all the remaining pieces. So here it is 10.0.0.3 and the gateway value is 10.0.0.1. Again, I have to do for the PC2. So go to desktop, IP configuration, 10.0.0.4, 10.001, that is a mask value, default gateway value. So done. So now I have given IP address for all systems. So now I can check. So how I can check is ping 10.0.0.3. So I am now checking from this system. I'm checking whether this system is accessible. So if you see here, the output is that you are getting a reply. So likewise, I'm checking the another system, so I'm getting the reply from that also. So now we have created a LAN. So this is how we will create a LAN where we can transmit data from one system to the other system. So now I'm checking for the next PC1, that is 10.0.0.2. So I'm getting the reply. So it means that all the systems are connected with all the other systems. So this is how we will create a LAN.